Hello there, and welcome back to the Herbal Keys. Our focus today is on a remarkable, resilient perennial that truly deserves a prominent place in your home landscape. Salad Burnet. This understated green offers a delightful, refreshing surprise to the palate, reminiscent of crisp summer afternoons. It thrives with minimal intervention, making it an ideal choice for growers seeking high yields, reliable seasonal longevity, and a touch of timeless garden elegance. Before unearthing the secrets of this ancient plant, please take a quick moment to support our growing educational community. If you value deep-dig botanical insights and practical, homegrown wisdom tailored for your success, remember to like and hype this video and subscribe to the Herbal Keys now. Your active engagement ensures we can continue sharing gardening tips and historically rich herbal guides. Now, let us delve straight into the 10 essential reasons why this durable cucumber-scented herb is an absolute necessity for your permanent backyard plant collection. Salad Burnet, known botanically as Sanguisorba minor, is a hardy clump-forming perennial belonging to the Rosaceae family. This elegant plant features distinctive, pinnately compound leaves with sharply serrated margins that form a beautiful, low-growing rosette in the garden bed. Unlike many of the delicate annual greens that wither at the first frost, it effortlessly stays thriving even when autumn temperatures drop. While the standard species is revered for its resilience, horticulturists often seek out unique cultivars to introduce captivating visual textures. Among the notable selections, the cultivar Aurea offers a stunning variegated appearance, featuring delicate golden yellow highlights along the edges of its serrated leaves. Another exceptional choice is All Gold, which provides a bright chartreuse focal point that beautifully illuminates the shadier corners of your garden plot. Regardless of the chosen cultivar, the primary species remains the most flavorful. It delivers a consistent, high-yield harvest of clean foliage that forms the perfect foundation for unique visual contrasts within your permanent borders. This resilient perennial is remarkably adaptable, thriving across USDA hardiness zones 4 through 8 with ease. It demonstrates a strong preference for full sun to partial shade and requires well-draining soil to flourish optimally over the seasons. While it appreciates a neutral to slightly alkaline pH, it is famously tolerant of poor, sandy, or chalky soils where other delicate greens routinely falter. Its deep taproot system allows it to easily access moisture far below the surface, granting established plants excellent drought tolerance. Multiplying your garden stock is easily achieved through simple root division in either the early spring or late autumn. To divide, carefully lift an established clump, gently separate the crown into smaller sections, ensuring each has a healthy root portion, and replant them immediately. Alternatively, stem cuttings taken from the base can be easily rooted in a moist, sterile potting medium. The plant also readily self-seeds if flower heads are left intact, providing an effortless, continuous supply of new garden starts. Salad Burnet offers significant ecological benefits to your entire garden ecosystem. In midsummer, it produces unique, spherical, greenish-pink flower heads that are highly attractive to local pollinators. Beneficial insects, including native bees, butterflies, and hoverflies, flock to these unique blooms, actively enhancing biodiversity and improving the overall pollination rates of nearby crops. By incorporating this perennial into your landscape, you support local wildlife populations while creating a lovely, dynamic environment filled with natural harmony. In companion planting, its deep root system acts as a natural dynamic accumulator, drawing up essential subsoil minerals to share with shallow-rooted companions like alpine strawberries and trailing thyme. Furthermore, the hardy foliage contains natural tannins that act as a mild deterrent to certain soft-bodied garden pests, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Planted as a living mulch or a neat border edge, it helps retain vital soil moisture, stabilizes the soil structure, and effortlessly suppresses opportunistic backyard weeds. To enjoy the refreshing qualities of this herb throughout the year, proper preservation techniques are essential. While the leaves are best consumed fresh, they can be successfully frozen to retain their distinct flavor profile for months. To freeze them, finely chop the freshly harvested leaves and pack them tightly into standard ice cube trays, filling the remaining space with clean water or premium olive oil. Once frozen solid, transfer these culinary cubes into airtight storage bags to preserve the delicate, volatile oils ready for use next winter. For an elegant alternative preservation method, consider creating a customized herbal vinegar or a rich oil infusion. Submerge clean, completely dry stems into high-quality white wine vinegar or cold-pressed olive oil inside a sterilized glass jar. Allow the mixture to steep in a cool, dark cupboard for 3 to 4 weeks, shaking it occasionally to release the essence. Strain the liquid into a decorative bottle, adding a fresh sprig. This captures the subtle cucumber notes, perfectly for a gourmet pantry staple, ready at a moment's notice. In savory culinary applications, this herb is highly celebrated for its clean, cooling flavor, which closely mimics the taste of fresh cucumbers with a subtle, nutty undertone. It serves as a brilliant addition to classic green salads, where its serrated leaves provide both an appealing texture and a refreshing flavor contrast. It also pairs exquisitely with feta and other soft cheeses. To maximize its culinary impact, always add the raw leaves toward the very end of your preparation, as excessive heat can diminish its profile. This versatile green also excels when incorporated into savory marinades, compound butters, and herb-infused salts. Mince the leaves finely and blend them with softened unsalted butter and a touch of fresh lemon zest to create a luxurious topping for grilled white fish, roasted poultry, or tender summer vegetables. When combined with coarse sea salt, it forms a delightful finishing seasoning that stores beautifully. Its unique ability to provide a cooling cucumber sensation without adding excess moisture makes it a prized culinary secret weapon. The refreshing profile of Salad Burnet extends gracefully into the realm of sweet treats and refreshing beverages. Its cooling notes offer an unexpected yet delightful balance when paired with sweet, seasonal fruits like ripe strawberries, juicy melons, and tart citrus. Mince the leaves finely and fold them into a fresh fruit compote, or use them as an elegant garnish atop a chilled lemon tart. The subtle cucumber undertone beautifully enhances natural sweetness, providing a sophisticated dessert experience that easily impresses your dinner guests. For a refreshing cucumber-flavored beverage, simply muddle the fresh leaves with a bit of raw sugar and lime juice before topping with sparkling water and ice. This creates a deeply cooling, non-alcoholic cooler, perfect for hot summer days on the patio. The herb can also be steeped in hot water to create a soothing, clean-tasting herbal tea, or added directly to historical wine cups and summer punches. This incredible flexibility makes it a superb choice, providing endless options for refreshing beverages all season long. Historically and scientifically, the primary wellness attribute of Sanguisorba minor lies in its powerful astringent and styptic properties, which are heavily concentrated in both the roots and foliage. The Latin genus name itself, derived from words meaning to absorb blood, points to this profound capability. Rich in natural tannins, preparations made from this plant have been used for centuries to help tighten tissues and soothe internal mucous membranes. It's a traditional remedy for supporting digestive wellness and general comfort. To utilize salad burnette's primary benefits, a simple decoction can be prepared by gently simmering the clean, dried roots or mature leaves in pure water. This traditional liquid can be cooled and used as a soothing oral rinse to support gum health, or consumed in moderation as an herbal tea to aid digestion. The high concentration of bioactive compounds works gently with the body's natural processes. It offers a time-tested approach to wellness that reinforces the value of maintaining a living, functional apothecary in your own backyard. Beyond its primary astringent qualities, this herb is a rich source of essential nutrients, including significant amounts of vitamin C, which is vital for supporting robust immune function and cellular health. It also boasts a high concentration of valuable antioxidants, which help protect cells from environmental oxidative stress and free radical damage. When applied topically, a cooled infusion made from the leaves acts as a refreshing skin toner that helps soothe minor irritations and cleanse pores naturally, making it a wonderful personal care routine. Incorporating the raw greens into your daily diet provides an effortless nutritional boost that promotes long-term vitality. The presence of these beneficial phytochemicals helps support healthy inflammatory responses throughout the body, contributing to joint comfort and systemic well-being over time. By utilizing this versatile plant both internally as a nutrient-dense food and externally as a soothing topical wash, you maximize its holistic potential, embracing a well-rounded, nature-forward approach to daily health that honors the enduring wisdom of traditional herbalism. The utility of this remarkable perennial extends well beyond the kitchen and wellness cabinet into creative household and beauty applications. When dried, the unique serrated leaves retain their structural integrity and a subtle, clean aroma, making them an excellent component for homemade aromatic potpourri blends. Combined with dried citrus peels, lavender buds, and cedar shavings, they add a beautiful green texture and grounding earthy notes to decorative bowls, helping to naturally refresh the air in your living spaces, closets, and storage chests. Additionally, the nutrient-rich extract can be incorporated into artisanal soaps and soothing bath satchels. Encasing the fresh leaves in a simple muslin bag and placing it directly into warm running water creates a deeply relaxing, skin-soothing asset after a long, productive day of gardening. This incredible versatility highlights the plant's role as a multi-purpose domestic companion, allowing you to easily transform simple garden harvests into luxurious, handcrafted personal comforts that bring the refreshing spirit of the outdoors straight into your home environment. This distinguished green boasts a rich and storied history that stretches back to ancient civilizations, where it was highly revered by classical scholars and soldiers alike. Roman soldiers frequently consumed infusions of salad burnet before marching into battle, believing it would instill courage, fortify their spirits, and protect them from severe injury. In the Middle Ages, it became a mandatory fixture in European monastery gardens, prized by monks for its reliable properties and its unique ability to thrive consistently throughout changing, harsh seasons. During the Elizabethan era, it was highly fashionable to plant this fragrant herb along garden walkways and paths. Walking guests would intentionally step upon the low-growing rosettes, crushing the leaves to release their crisp, cucumber-like aroma into the air, creating a delightful sensory experience. Thomas Jefferson even imported the seeds to Monticello, praising its immense value as both a nutritious agricultural cover crop and a fine table green. Growing this herb connects you directly to centuries of rich, enduring horticultural tradition. As our detailed exploration comes to a close, it is evident that Sanguisorba minor is far more than a simple garden green. From its resilient growth habits and immense ecological benefits to its delightful culinary flexibility and rich historical legacy, This enduring perennial offers a high return investment for any dedicated gardener. By welcoming this multifaceted plant into your landscape, you secure a continuous harvest of flavor, wellness, and beauty that will enrich your home and table for many successful, productive seasons to come. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today, exploring the wonders of Salad Burnet and the world of herbs. If this comprehensive guide has inspired you to expand your permanent herb collection, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a future episode. Share this link with a friend and share your own thoughts and experiences with this remarkable green in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your backyard landscape always flourish.